Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that in an ellipse, if the line joining a focus to the extremities of the minor axis makes an equilateral triangle with the minor axis, the eccentricity of the ellipse is, options are 3 upon 4, root 3 by 2, 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है कि किसी भी एलिप्स में हम एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म कर रहे हैं बाय ज्वाइनिंग द एक्सट्रीमिटीज ऑफ माइनर एक्सिस विद द फोकस ऑफ द एलिप्स। सो जो ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है वो ट्रायंगल कैसा है, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है। सो हमें उस एलिप्स की इसेंट्रिसिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग द key concept here. So key concept we are using here is eccentricity of eccentricity of an ellipse. So किसी भी ellipse की हम eccentricity को define करते हैं, that eccentricity is equals to, it is given by square root of 1 minus square of minor axis upon major axis. Okay, suppose we have a ellipse which is given by x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1, where a square is greater than b square, means major axis is x and minor axis is y axis. Then eccentricity will be given by, it will be equal to square root of 1 minus b square upon a square. So using this concept, we'll try to solve our given question. So इस question को solve करने के लिए let's take one ellipse. Okay, this is our ellipse whose major axis is on x-axis and minor axis is on y-axis. Okay, and the point of intersection of both the axis is origin, that is 0, 0. Then its extremities of minor axis will be given by 0, b and 0, minus b, and the coordinates of major axis will be given by minus a, 0 and a, 0. Its coordinate for the focus will be ae, 0. Now by joining b s b, we will get one triangle. Okay, so let us consider an let us consider the horizontal ellipse whose equation is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1, where a square is greater than b square. Okay, now if we look into this ellipse in the figure, here triangle B dash is given here. So according to the question, since B dash S is an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, therefore we can say that BS is equal to B dash. Okay, since the given triangle is equilateral, it means the length of all the sides will be what? They will be equal to each other. Now, since we know the coordinates of all the vertices of the triangle, so using the distance formula, we can rewrite it as under root of AE minus 0 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here y is 0 and it is b, so it will be 0 minus b whole square, which is equal to bb dash, means the distance of b and b dash. It will be what? X coordinates are 0, so it will be 0 only, plus y coordinate is b and minus b, so it will be b minus of minus b whole square. Simplifying it, we'll get here a square e square plus 0 minus b whole square is b square only. That is equal to b minus minus become plus. So b plus b is 2b. So it will become 2b whole square. Square root cancel both sides. We can cancel both square root by squaring both the sides. Simplifying it further, we'll get here a square e square is equals to 4b square minus b square. So a square e square will be equal to 3b square. So from here I can rewrite it as I can write b square is equals to what? A square e square upon 3. Okay, so from here we got the relationship between b square and a square. Now as we know that eccentricity of an ellipse is given by the formula 1 minus b square upon a square. So let's substitute the values. Square root of 1 minus, we have find out the value of b square as what? We have got it as a square e square upon 3. So a square upon e square by 3, and here is already a square. So from here we can do what? We can cancel a square and a square, and here it is e. Now let's do squaring both sides. We'll get here what? We'll get a square is equals to what? We'll get here 1 minus e square upon 3. Okay, simplifying it further, we'll take it on the right hand side. We'll get e square plus e square upon 3 equals to 1. We'll get here 4e square upon 3 equals to 1. E square will be 3 upon 4, and the value of e will be what? It will be square root of 3 upon 4, which is equal to e is equals to root 3 upon. So we got the value of eccentricity of the given ellipse as root 3 by 2. Therefore, the correct option for the given question is option B. Correct option is option B. I hope everyone must have understood it well. Thank you. Best of luck.